Rise News' Kelsey Miner has been following this story. He's here now with more. Kelsey.
Well, Wendy, $4.3 billion. That's how much money these banks will have to fork over. It's the largest fine ever imposed by British regulators. And this isn't the end of the story. Now that this phase is done, criminal charges could soon follow. 6 big banks all fined big bucks by U.S. and U.K. regulators. The $4.3 billion civil settlement was handed down following a 13-month-long investigation, an investigation that concluded these banks, HSBC, Royal Bank of Scotland, Swiss Bank, and U.S. banks, JP Morgan Chase, Citibank, and Bank of America, all worked together secretly to try and manipulate the foreign exchange market. The settlement, according to market analysts, is only the beginning. Lawyers are thumbing at the prospect of criminal charges.
I certainly think that's a worry. Early reports have indicated that counterparties that have been materially damaged by this price-fixing scandal could have a case.
Although the banks have agreed to pay the fine, the deal isn't enough to resolve a criminal probe by the U.S. State's Justice Department. There's an ongoing investigation by New York's powerful banking regulator, Benjamin Lawsky. The problem with this is evidence may be hard to come by.
I wonder how easy it would be to prove in open court that you were actually disenfranchised and lost money as a result of the activities of the bank.
Some say it might be fitting to go after easier targets like floor traders and supervisors. Around 30 people have already been sacked or suspended in connection with the probe. Meantime, prosecutors continue looking for ways to go after senior-level executives within the banks, although analysts say it's highly unlikely they will be caught. And in related news, British bank Barclays was also part of the investigation. It was not involved in the settlement, Wendy, because the probe against Barclays is still ongoing.
All right, we'll see who has to pay up.